Did you know there's an exclusive listing experience that can help your home stand out on Zillow? Introducing Showcase Listings. Only available to a limited number of agents in an area, Showcase Listings have a unique display that can help elevate your home's visibility, amplify its exposure on Zillow, and wow prospective buyers with captivating media. Showcase Listings help differentiate your home on Zillow with scrolling hero images, room-by-room photo organization, a virtual tour, and an interactive floor plan that connects the photography to the location in the home. And to get the word out, your home will receive prioritized ranking in consumers' personalized search results on Zillow, amplifying your listing in front of over 226 million average unique users per month. In addition, your home can be featured in social media videos, flyers, postcards, and new Zillow Property Alert emails sent to interested buyers. Showcase Listings allow buyers to connect directly with agents to ensure fast responses. Want your home to stand out from the rest on the most visited real estate website in the U.S.? Ask your agent today about Listing Showcase by ShowingTime Plus.